Start a cleaning business before 2025 is over. There is only 2 months left in the year. And why should you start a cleaning business before 2025 is over? Because if you start it now, legally start it, I'll leave a link down below on the business formation site that I use for my multiple businesses. If you start that business before the end of 2025, then you will have the opportunity come 2026, when it's time to file your taxes, you can report a positive profit for the year of 2025, which will make you eligible for more business credit cards, more business loans, and funding. Because usually when you try to get certain funding, they will need a tax return, right? Now, if I start my business literally at the tail end of 2025, make some money, get some customers, then I can report a positive profit when it's time to file my 2025 taxes and use that tax return to apply for funding. Also, if you need to buy a home, loans that require 2 years of tax returns, at least you're a year ahead. Technically, you're a year ahead already. So start that cleaning business before 2025 is over. And on this channel, we show you how to make your first million starting a cleaning business. All right. The boring way, the lengthy process way, the ways that not many people are looking. All right. We also show you the traditional way, cold calling, knocking on doors, but we show you strategies not many people are talking about so you can make some millions in your cleaning business. All right. So start that cleaning business before before 2025 is over. So you will technically have a full year of profit, right? That you can report on your tax return, leverage that income to get these loans and get ahead. You know, instead of having to wait to get 2 years of tax returns, you already got that 1 year. Then after that, let's get 2026 on and popping and make some money in 2026 and report a positive profit when you come and file your return in 2027. And you will get a head start, guys. Personal story for myself. When I started my cleaning business, it was at the tail end of the year. But what I did, I still filed a return, but the mistake I made, I filed a negative return. Don't do that, guys. Okay. Trial and error. You live and you learn, and you can teach it to other people, which is what I'm doing on this channel, guys. So start a cleaning business, specifically a cleaning business before 2025 is over, and let's get in on this money. That's how these financially savvy individuals and business owners get loans, and make more money by filing a positive profit. All right, guys, stay subscribed on this channel where we show you how to make your first million starting a cleaning business, the traditional route, and most definitely the boring route, okay? The red tape that no one wants to do. I love it when I see opportunities that requires a lot of red tape and paperwork, because honestly, not many people are gonna wanna go through that. So the more opportunities for you. All right, guys, bring in the faith, throw away the worry. All right.